Yes. Dear students, in the last video we discussed about intensive subsistence farming and commercial farming. Today we are going to discuss about the cropping patterns. The cropping pattern in agriculture. That is in India. Don't take it to another part of the world. So it's about India. You have studied the physical diversities and plurality of cultures in India. In your ninth class, you discussed your different physical features, and you find that different people, different culture is found in India. So these pluralities are also reflected in the agricultural practices and cropping pattern in the country. Various types of foods, fiber crops, vegetables, fruit, spices, and condiments, etc., are main part of important crops grown in the country. As you know, our eating habits, our living habits are directly dependent on the surrounding conditions. So whatever type of climatic conditions we live in, accordingly we grow the crops. For example, people living in the coastal areas, they will not grow wheat, rather they will prefer growing rice, because rice is their main or their staple crop or staple food. So there are accordingly three seasons in our country. One is Rabi, Kharif, and Jayad. Kharif, Rabi, and Jayad. Kharif season starts in the month of October, November, and ends in March, April. Kharif season starts in the month of May, June, and it ends in September, October. Jayad is a pre-monsoon season. It starts in the month of April and it ends by maximum by June. Actually, Jayad crops are grown in this season, like cucumber, watermelon, husk melon, and different vegetables. So let us start first of all with Kharif season. I want to discuss it with Kharif season because the season we are right now enjoying, this is a season of Kharif. So let us discuss Kharif first and others later on. Dear students, Kharif season, as I wrote over here, it starts in the month of May, June, and it ends in the month of September, October. In this season, you must remember, whatever you are in need of, that is very high. Means high temperature, okay, high precipitation, yeah, more precipitation, that is basically rainfall, high humidity, fertile soil, more inputs. Inputs are more. So here everything is high, everything is more. High temperature, high precipitation or rainfall, high humidity, more fertile or fertility of the soil should be more, or you can say better soil is used for growing of Kharif crops, and more inputs, especially for crops like rice. We need to have more inputs, be it labor or capital, because a lot of work is done with the human hands, so we need to engage a lot of labor. For that we need to have money. So whatever is used, that is high for this kind of crops. And the major crops grown in this season are major crops. This is important, this question is usually asked. Paddy और राइस, ओके। पैडी के बाद क्या था, मेज, ज्वार, bajra. Apart from this, some pulses like tur. Tur is also called arhar or called yellow दाल और येलो पल्सेस. ओके, उसके बाद है उड़द. उड़द के बाद है आई थिंक मूंग नहीं जाती. देन कॉटन, जूट, ये फाइबर क्रॉप्स हैं. सम ऑयल क्रॉप्स आर आल्सो ग्रोन लाइक ग्राउंड नट एंड सोयाबीन. These are major crops of this season, that is Kharif season. And the areas of Kharif season are basically in the northern plains and coastal areas of the country, be it western coastal plain or eastern coastal plain. And even Assam, you go up to Assam, you find a lot of Kharif crops in this area. And in certain areas the climatic conditions are so good that even 3 crops a year are grown in Odisha, West Bengal and Assam. Climatic conditions are so suitable for Kharif crop. Even 3 crops are grown in a year. These are Os, Aman and Boro. Okay, Os, Aman and Boro. There are certain patches or certain areas in the country like Punjab and Haryana, though climatic conditions are not that much suitable for rice crop there in Punjab and Haryana, but due to availability of irrigation facilities, this crop, paddy, has become very important crop of Punjab and Haryana. Even the crop is exported. Rice grown in Punjab and Haryana is for export and local consumption. Local means national consumption. जो भी हम बासमती राइस खाते हैं ना, चाहे लाल महल हो, एरोप्लेन हो, कोई भी राइस हो, दैट इज ग्रोन इन पंजाब एंड हरियाणा. ओके, नेक्स्ट सीजन इज रबी. Rabi season, as we discussed, it starts in the month of October, November, and the crops are harvested with the onset of summer, that is in April or March and or April. And some of the important crops which are grown in this season are wheat. अच्छा, एक चीज़ और बता दूँ, एज आई डिस्कस्ड हेयर, हाई टेम्परेचर, हाई प्रेसिपिटेशन, यहाँ पे इसकी क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन जो हमें चाहिए वो आपको बता दूँ. लो टेम्परेचर but it should be high at a ripening time. जब फसल तैयार हो रही है तब हाई चाहिए, अदरवाइज लो टेम्परेचर, लो रेनफॉल. ओके, देन लो ह्यूमिडिटी, लेस इरिगेशन, less inputs, even less fertile soil is also sufficient. Okay, so whatever is required for rabi crop is low. Okay, rice is grown in very fertile soil, but wheat can grow in even comparatively less fertile soil also. Okay, so the major crops. Major crops are wheat, barley, peas, gram and mustard. Wheat, barley, peas, gram, mustard, these are major crops of this season. Okay, Though these crops are grown in large parts of India, states from north to northwestern parts such as Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, and these are important for wheat and other rabi crops. Yes, availability of precipitation during winter months due to the western disturbances or western temperate cyclones help in the success of these crops. Rather, you can say this rainfall done by the western disturbances does miracle to the crops. It does miracle to the crops. Rainfall done by the western disturbances. It does miracle to the crops. Okay, so this is all about rabi crop. Last but not the least is Jayad season. In between rabi and kharif season there is short season during the summer's month. This is called Jayad season. Some crops produced in this season are watermelon, then muskmelon, cucumber, vegetables, and some photo crops. Okay, these are grown in Jayad season. So this is all about the cropping pattern in our country. In next video we'll discuss about major crops grown in our country. Till then, good day, bye. Thank you.